Hello everyone, and today we're going to show you how to mute people that are in your Zoom meetings to a point where they cannot unmute themselves. This is great for business meetings, especially classrooms or kindergarten kids, and whatever you may need if you're having a webinar and you don't want people to be interrupting you. So here's how we mute somebody in Zoom. So let's go ahead and go to Zoom. This is Zoom over here. It's showing me as the host, and on the other side, on the left side, is my phone, the participating Zoom member, which is me. So, all right, so everyone pretty much knows how to mute all, but you gotta make sure when you mute everybody, you come down here to participants, mute all, and make sure this is unchecked. By default, it is checked. Make sure it's unchecked, and now everyone is muted, and that's it. You can't, these guys over here or whoever else is in the meeting cannot unmute themselves without asking you permission. Now you can ask them to unmute themselves, but they cannot unmute themselves. And I've had many experiences where this has been a lifesaver. And this is how some of my supervisors for projects when I have meetings kind of, keep us in line by not interrupting anybody. So hopefully that helps anybody who wants to mute their participant in their Zoom meeting. Talk to you later.